Hello, dear children. I am here, your art sir, Vikram Singodia. I know you are missing your art classes. So, we are here to start your art virtual classes. Today, we will dive into underwater and draw some fishes, waves, and lotus. We will make here a composition with drawing. So, grab your pencil and paper to join be an artist. First, let's see what material you need. 1. Your sketchbook or any kind of paper that you color or colors. There is a oil pastels, pencil, eraser, and a rough newspaper and a cloth. Okay, so let me start with sketches. Here's a sketch of a fish. We will draw sketch of fish. How let's see how can you draw a fish sketch. Do you know what the sign of this? Many times you draw here on your sketchbook, it's a cut sign, yeah, cross sign like this you will draw. So draw it with some more shapes. It's a fish. Did you can see that? See, it's a fish. And what's here's its eyes. How is it looks? Let me see how we can draw more fishes with this kind of shape. See, it says lips and eyes. See, it's done. After some practice sketches, I will draw on final paper. So I'm drawing here a cross sign again and a fish tail, wave lines again, and that sketch. After this, draw his lips. It's a her lips, eyes, and wings. Understood? After this, I'm drawing here some waves. Do you know which number is that? It's a 9 number. Do you know which number is that? It's a 6 number. So we are adding some these kind of number and drawing here waves. Understood? So draw here some shapes and draw some waves. See, understood how we are drawing it? It's number 9 and 6. It's just a round thing. You can draw with spiral also. See, it's done. It's a fish. That sketch is done of fish and waves. Now what is remaining thing? It's a lotus. Let me complete a lotus. First, draw a leaf shape. After this, connect with L shape and draw here a lotus. See, it's complete. Again, I am drawing here a lotus. Draw a leaf shape. Join with connective leaves. See how you can draw and connect with another leaves. It's done. So I'm drawing here two lotus, a leaf. I'm drawing here again a small leaf of lotus. Okay, now we are coloring it. First I am taking sky blue color. Now we are coloring with this, and here's our colors, that is oil pastel. I already told you here's a oil pastel. I'm using sky blue color. I'm using sky blue and blue shades of color of oil pastel. See, here I have sky blue shade. First I'm using sky blue shade for small shapes, and I'm doing its outline. Did you see that? Some more shapes. Just do the outline first. After that, fill it properly and gently. See, remember one thing. There is no, you can't take any, you can't leave any empty space. See, here again I am using that sky blue shade. Remember this thing always whenever you are filling colors. Don't forget to fill properly and do the outline first. Suppose that's a shape, fill that outline first. After that, filling inside properly. And remember, there is no any white space in that particular shape. Whenever you are starting another color, just do again outlines gently and neatly. After this, complete with that outlines of the shape and fill it properly. See, it's done. See how can I mixing? First I'm painting here a light shade, and after that I'm shading here with darker shade, and that is mixing. And here these shades are mixed. You can mix with pen, finger, and or a newspaper also. I'm taking dark blue shade for drawing more beautifully. See, when you are seeing that little blue wax particles, you can remove it with lightly a cloth. Like waves coloring, I can see here some little particles of color. So it can be clean, but don't clean with hand. You should use a rough cloth to clean this. See, here is some color particle. Did you can see that? Here are some color particles. After that work, I am using a darker shade to shape it properly. Darker shade of blue. It's shaping properly of our wave shapes. See, now that waves looks good. See, after this we will draw the sky part with that violet shade. Little bit of magenta shade. And pink shade. Now we are drawing in our main figure. It's a fish, and we are starting from darker shades, and darkest shade is red. First we are drawing here his outlines, its outlines. After that, mid-tone, it's orange. And the last shade is it's not last, sorry, yellow. See that mixing of colors. And the last shade is light yellow. See, here I'm using a scrubbing tool. Here I'm using scraping tool. It looks wave look, and it will be more effective for waves. The texture is more effective for the waves. See, See, after that, that color particles are here. I'm only cleaning lightly with this fabric. After this, I'm drawing here fish scales. It's done. It looks very lighter. See, after this, I'm doing some outlines with black color. See, and it slips. See, I'm using here now it's done.